Welcome to the latest episode of Tag Tech Insights. Jason Harlem, Business Development Manager at Technology Advisory Group, says that implementing a network security plan not only protects your business, but also builds trust with clients and partners who rely on your commitment to data security. That's why today we'll go over a step-by-step guide on how you can implement a strong network security plan. First, assess your current security posture. Create a detailed map of your network infrastructure, including devices, connections, and data flows. Next, define security policies and procedures. Establish clear and comprehensive security policies, covering password practices, user access controls, and data handling procedures. Then, divide your network into smaller, isolated segments to limit the spread of cyber attacks. After that, develop an incident response plan that outlines the steps your organization will take during a security incident. Finally, conduct employee training to ensure everyone understands how to protect your network. Also, include regular updates and multi-factor authentication in your strategy. Want to take a closer look at these steps? Read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add Tag Tech Insights to your Spotify playlist.